Hi, I'm Bill Walker. I'm here today with Micheal Hatcher, Head of Global Equities and Director of Research for Trimark Investments. Thank you for joining me today, Micheal.
Thank you, Bill.
Micheal, it's impressive to hear how much work you actually do, how much diligence before you make that decision to buy a business. Can you walk us through that decision-making process and maybe use a specific company as an example?
I think the key is you want to stay in areas that you know a lot about. So it's that circle of competence that you want to be as an investor. And I think that's important for every investor who has a long tenure track record or if you're just starting out. So once you understand that an industry has a good business, and the example I'll use is the company Publicis, which is a market research and an advertising agency. Once you you uncover that first company in that area and you realize this is a good business, the next thing you do is you start looking at all their competitors. So I can say with this example, I actually owned one of their competitors first before we actually made the investment in Publicis. Now, the research is you're trying to identify, typically they're going to be oligopolies. They're going to be something that sort of has fewer competitors. And this is one, if you look at the advertising agency space, there's really only 3, 4, or 5 in the world that actually have a global reach. WPP would be one in the UK. Publicis is a French company. And then once you start doing your due diligence further, then it's a matter of distinguishing which one has an actual better underlying business. And then the last point is you then get on a plane, you go over and you see senior management. So this was a case where I had met senior management several times before we actually made the underlying investment, because the way the timing works out is you do your work on the company regardless of its valuation, in the sense that you've identified the company, you put a price on it, and then once you put your price or intrinsic value, you wait for the market to put it on sale. And it wasn't for years afterward, after the initial research and the understanding this was a great company, that we had the opportunity to buy it. And we bought it when the market decided that they wanted to dump it.
Very interesting discussion. Thank you.
Great, thank you.